Can you hear me? Hello?
Okay, yes.
Oh.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I could hear you. So, I just want to make sure, briefly about this person, right? I think, based on, his presentation, right? I think, it was a marriage in the beginning. I don't know exactly what happened, right? And I think the key is the content, right? What she wrote to USCIS.
Will
Okay.
we when we ask for his record, will we be able to see what she wrote, or did they omit that information?
No, we'll probably have the record, because what happens is when you filed the application with the USCIS, all the record that they submitted, they are going to send it to immigration court so that everybody could look at it, right? And
Oh,
they're gonna, and also, we have right to see what they have. That's why we're filing the FOIA,
yes.
right? Freedom of Information Act to get the documents for us.
Okay.
Yeah, but I just want to make sure what he says, what he knows, right? And I don't think he knows a lot about the letter part of it, like what exactly the ex-wife wrote after going to a interview for 751.
Yes.
Right. So I don't know. I mean, sometimes, like I said before, it could have been just nothing, like just withdraw letter. Hey, I'm not going to help filing this application for my husband, right? We're gonna get a divorce. I mean, that could be all it, but
I have a
sometimes,
question about that.
yeah.
I thought that once somebody does the petition and the person gets their legal permanent resident card,
Right.
once they receive it, I thought you can't withdraw no more. You can't tell them you don't want to proceed.
So when you filed the initial marriage documents, right, like marriage petition, like I-130 and 485, if the husband is here, right, and you file everything together, right?
Yes.
Normally, if while the application is pending, you could withdraw. You could withdraw the application, but at the same time, it's up to, I guess, the USCIS whether or not they'll go ahead and allow your withdrawal without any prejudice, right? And sometimes what happens is this: my husband decided not to pursue green card, okay, because we decided to go to his country and live there for a while.
Oh,
right? Because once you have your green card, you're obligated to stay the majority of your time here in the U.S., right?
oh, okay.
Right.
So, because he said he had a green card. He said he had his green card.
For probably for 2 years, when you married, not more than 2 years. Okay, for example, let's say you met a person, filed a petition, right, and went to the interview, got the green card. Now, if you did not marry more than 2 years, then they will give you 2-year conditional.
Oh, okay,
Right.
okay. See,
That's why he has 2-year conditional green card.
because they had just gotten married.
Correct.
Because my husband didn't have any conditions.
Right, because most likely you guys are married like more than 2 years after, and you filed the petition probably, right? So,
well, actually, when he was detained and he was arrested and he was put in ICE hold on him, and ICE picked him up. When I was like, we weren't married.
okay.
And from the day that he was released, when he got the bond, it took us.
You married after.
Yeah, one.